mo, Pastor, in a political arena, there is always a saying which ginagamit ko sarili ko. Men judge best when they condemn. Walang mabuti kang gawin pagkalaban kita. It's always a bullshit thing for you.
Anything you do.
So, wala ka nang ginawa. You might be motivated with the highest of intention for your country. Yung ROTC naman talang for your country. Ganon pa man, may makikita talaga sila na, alam mo, ganon. The ever bleeding hearts and itong nagrereklamo na hindi naman matatapos. So yan,